There is something about 50-year anniversaries that always intrigues the world. For one thing, everyone always seems to be earning at these half-century landmarks whenever they happen.
Jubilee of Acweca, golden Jubilee of Acweca.
People find themselves celebrating 50 years of something over and over.
For me, it is a comparison to what Christ said in the Bible, like a small little mustard seed, the smallest of all seeds. And yet when it grows up, it grows into a big, big tree.
An interesting story of an association of consecrated women in Eastern and Central Africa starts with 50 years. In 2024, the fruits of an everlasting faith were planted in Malawi. The association's 19th plenary assembly took place at Golden Peacock Hotel in the capital of Malawi, Lilongwe.
On behalf of the Episcopal Conference of Malawi, I again welcome all the delegates and all of us who have come for this Eucharist. It is indeed a great joy for the conference to host this meeting of Acweca on their celebration of 50 years of existence.
His Holiness Pope Francis sends cordial greetings to all the participating members.
The assembly fell under the theme
Transformative, holistic formation, evangelization, authentic living, spirit of listening, wisdom, discernment, and synod of communion in Acweca.
Sisters who began 50 years ago are still on fire to see the religious women in this region moving towards the vision of Acweca, which is having empowered consecrated women for deeper evangelization in the area.
Other areas included early childhood development projects and key principles and sisterhood.
As Aurim, I know Acweca is one of our major sponsors in many programs there. But we are still lacking in many ways, because when I compare ourselves here and I look at our sisters in different regions where we are gathered together, I have noted something that we need to do a lot.
The meeting brought hundreds of sisters in the Acweca region, representing their umbrella associations in various countries. It also included partners such as Conrad N. Hilton Foundation and the College of United States Bishops.
Eastern Africa, and so to see their leadership, their commitment, their spiritual life, it's been a profound impact on me.
On the 22nd of August 2024, board members of Acweca agreed that Sister Grace Kiomusha, OLGC, the Superior General of the Sisters of Our Lady of God Council of Mbarara, Uganda, should assume the Acweca presidency. Sister Grace will lead the association for the next 3 years. She seems to be well equipped for the task.
I feel excited and I have mixed feelings. I'm not sure whether I'm the one or not, but I'm excited.
Sister Grace takes over from Zambia's Sister Rosari Sakayombo.
It's been a time of making my contribution to the running of Acweca as a regional association, and I think I encountered a lot of support, as well as at the same time learnings.
Acweca, a group of members from 10 countries, which include Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, Sudan, South Sudan, Eritrea, and Ethiopia, is the umbrella body of sisters that overlooks the Amesea region. The previously synonymous Amesea sisters work in collaboration with various government organizations in raising funds for the region on various projects. For instance, in Kenya, The organization is assisting in formation of Catholic sisters, among others.
I'm very grateful myself as a person. I longed to come to this assembly even to celebrate the 50 years of Acweca's existence, having been a member through our association, and I feel that we have grown as Acweca.
A similar story takes place in South Sudan, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Zimbabwe, and Tanzania.
I'm not much experienced as a leader, but from when I came to hear about Acweca from my predecessor, we are really benefiting a lot from them, and I'm very happy that I have attended this plenary assembly.
We are very grateful to Acweca for accepting us as an associate member. You know, as Zimbabwe, we don't belong to this region. We belong to Imbisa. You might be surprised why we are here. I think this is the spirit of synodality in our Acweca region.
Well, it has been a journey, of course. The theme is about formation, for transformation, for evangelization. An evangelization that is with joy and with passion. And so Acweca has helped in capacity building and in training of workshops. And this has helped the sisters to have that enthusiasm.
In South Sudan, where war wrecks many lives, the sisters are the only hope.
Is of gratitude and great joy to have seen for the first time that I met different associations from different African countries, that is Eastern and Central Africa, women religious, coming together in this big number.
The association started 50 years ago with only hope and a strong invisible plan.
When we started, we were about a handful of us, about 10 of us in Kenya, in Limuru. And our first thing was, what did we gather there for?
At the time, 4 founding countries in the Amesea region had heeded the bishop's call at the Catholic Church headquarters in the Vatican, Italy.
It was what the bishops had discussed in Rome about getting the National Association of Sisterhoods in every country to look into the issue of deep evangelization. So we concentrated on deep evangelization. How could we collaborate with our bishops, with our priests, so that we evangelize at a deeper level, using different methodologies?
It hasn't been easy, as many would think, in view of the achievements the organization has produced.
We didn't see like the end of it. We gave ourselves just to say, let's go and get this vision materialized. I'm amazed what God can do with us.